To the Fairhope band from Walker Gardner, are you going to stay in fifth forever? From William. To Landon, you know what you've done. From Brody. To Bronson, Joshua Pratt. Huh? What? No, I didn't hear you. Something, I forgot. From Bronson, from Joshua Pratt. To Mr. Samuel, we're best friends, you just won't admit it. From Carter Boujou. To Lucy, I love you so much and would never ask for a better best friend in my life. From Mackenzie. To the Fairhope band, the show looks great. Keep it up, baritones. To Jacob, thank you. I rate this a 6 out of 7. From Michael. To Jesse, pay for my lunch, or at least drive me. Love you, Smoochums. From Michael. To Izzy, don't miss too much when I graduate. I love you to the moon and back. From Gene. Taking the field in Class 5A is the pride of the Eastern Shore, the Fairhope High School Buccaneer Band. From Fairhope High School in Fairhope, Alabama. The band directors are Meredith Peterson and Tyler Butler. The color guard sponsor is Hunter Rencher. The percussion instructors are Kendall Butler, Trevor Perez, and Tyler Scott. Additional staff include Madison Harry and Nicholas Herboso. The superintendent is Mr. Eddie Tyler. The principal is Mr. John Cardwell. Drum majors are Hallie Rose Downing, Emma Thomas, and Ethan Sugg. Musical selections for today include excerpts from Shostakovich's Symphony No. 7 and original compositions inspired by Symphony No. 7. Drum majors, is your band ready? Fairhope High School Buccaneer Band, you may take the field for your festival performance.
its own device.